Hello, Tope Stars. How are you guys doing? That's my mom at the back. Welcome. This is moisturizer. Ignore it. Welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We are a very loving family here, so enjoy. Today, we're going out with my mother. See how she deco. I hope you can see her. Tola, can you show mom? Is it show mom? Yeah. So, we're going out. The bus is coming, it's coming. We are at the station and the train station, and we're heading to go. I'm not tapping. This is the train station. this is the train station.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Who why? Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it. Don't just supreme. Who why? Tell a bitch who why. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches block my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay them in my Jura. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it dean, don't cheat supreme, let's rock. Who-wah? Freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch. Creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me mattress. Now I got some hands to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to pull it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my ruler up. Tell a bitch who right. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches block my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay them in my Jura. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it dean, don't cheat supreme, but swap Jura.
Sorry. So that's where we're going. It's not far from the train station. Let go.
Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it dean. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it dean, don't cheat supreme. Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it. Who why? Don't cheat it down, don't cheat it. Don't cheat it down, don't tell a bitch who why.
Guys, if you've been following me, you know there was a time I came ice skating. It was here, but it's now gone. It's all gone. This was where it was, and then this was the entrance. Guys, you know that's so general. I don't even know the name. The spray. that was all over TikTok. People making it look like it smells like the shit. It ain't shit. I just sprayed it on my hand. It smells like a regular freaking ass spray. I'm pissed. I'm pissed that I thought it was something. I didn't get it, Jack, because it's not nonsense. Anyway, we're done in Sephora. We're heading to Primark now because my mom wants to do some Primark shopping, and I need to get some stuff to myself. So, anyway, let's go. Up the stairs, then what next? Should we but me navigation of going there? I just realized that my sister is exactly like my mom. They like shopping and just walking around and just doing things. I'm not like that. Whatever I want to buy, I go for it and I leave. But these people like walking around and shopping. Guys, if I say that I'm not following these people out again, I want you to believe me. They're hyping each other up for top of glasses. Imagine if she's trying it out.
This is what I stay from. Throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act. Adamsville, Bankhead, College Park, Carver Homes, Hummus floating on chrome, choking on that homegrown. They got that southern cooking.
I will not go shopping with these my people again. These two people here, they are the same. They will go around instead of going to the car. See them. See why they fit shoulder. See their bag. See them. What my eyes are seeing, my mouth no feet talk. I am tired. We've been upstairs. Let me show you what these people are carrying. Let me show you. See. Lace. Mommy, where are you going again? This man can never stop shopping. Where is she going?
No, I think the other one that one's here.
How much is that one?
So this one, the large one is £1.20, and the medium one is £1.
Yes. You guys, the way I'm tired, the way these people have used me to shop around, I'm not doing again. I just want to go home. Okay, fine, I want to eat. What are we eating? Let's check that. This is how I have turned to the official load carrier. It's heavy. My gosh. Anyway, we're going to get McDonald's, then we'll go home because I'm starving. I'm tired. This is what we ordered.
Ready for collection.
Guys, I thought I was recording. I'm so pissed. Anyway, nuggets.
Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. you still? If I'm in my mind, then where would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumptions. Feeling like Tyson with it, got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding.
We are at this perfume store and they are on sale, guys. This is for £6 or something. I got it. I got it from somewhere here. It's really nice. Thank you. Yay.
For life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Backstroke over.
Tube stars, we are home. Let me tell you, yeah. If I say I'm not tired, I am lying. In fact, we had to rush back. At some point, we got lost in the mall because we didn't know what particular exit to take to get to the train station we were supposed to go. I'm just happy I'm home. Yes, Mom, I'm coming. See, Google Map did a great job. But at some point, it was just a bit hectic to navigate around the mall because there are different exits. But it was a smooth ride home. It was fast, and yeah, I'm so grateful. I had so much fun. I'm not doing an unboxing of the things I got. I don't have the strength.
I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride, blade on her.
Good morning, Top Stars. How you guys doing? So this morning, I'm tired. Guys, I'm so tired. I can't even explain it. I have quite a number of things to do today. I have to film some TikTok videos for what do you call it? I have to film some TikTok videos and also just do a bunch of stuff. I also need to go out to get something, but your girl is tired. But I have to just prepare and just film these TikTok videos. I might record the behind the scenes of me filming the TikTok videos, and I might not, depending on how I feel, Sha. I'll do it. If not, if you don't see it, I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't just set up 2 cameras. But yeah, it's morning. My body feels sore from yesterday's waka, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna just get this done. We need to make this money. Top stars. Your girl needs subscribers. Your girl needs followers on TikTok and Instagram. My Instagram is just so weird. I feel like I'm losing followers on Instagram. I don't know. My Instagram is just really, really weird. Really, really weird. Anyway, if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I don't know what's happening with that side. Maybe because I've neglected it for a minute, but I'm going to be posting. Don't worry. So yeah, your girl is going to have to. Your girl wants to do her skincare routine for the morning, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let's take it from there. I need to get bottled water to use to wash my face, because I don't use the water from the tap, as you know, because of the water. The water is harsh. I be hard, Denny. So yeah, I need to get that, and yeah, we just take on the day. I need to make jollof rice today and stew. My body's spinning me. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Love you, Top Stars. Guys, so this is how I filmed my TikTok video. No, it was half. But this is what I'm... But this is it. But this is what it looks like this. But this is it. Top Stars. The contrast is crazy. I just finished filming one of my TikTok videos, so I need to change. Guys, let me tell you something. You know that pretzel? Okay, I don't think I ever showed it. I didn't show it. Okay, so the day we went to the other mall to get toys for my nieces and nephews, for my niece and nephew, we got pretzels, and these pretzels were really, really nice. Guys, since then I've been dreaming of that pretzel. So I'm thinking of taking some time out of what I have to do today to go to the mall to get it, even though it's not a walking distance, it's far. But I want to risk it. It's currently 2:05. Do you think it's possible today? 2:05. Hey, so it's not morning, no. Hey, I'm sorry. So I ditched you guys this morning. Okay, I'm sorry. It's afternoon. So good afternoon, top stars. Anyway, it's currently 2:05. Do you think I can still get it done? Also, I want to cook jollof rice. You see, I have a lot of things to do today. Today. And I am dragging leg up and down. But we will get it done. I also need to get butter. There's no butter. And I want to make jollof rice. Hey, Jesus. I don't know. What do you guys think? My body is paining me. See, do pain me. Unreal. Jesus. Anyway, I just created some content. Another part of the things I have to do today is create some TikTok content, which I just did. I just filmed like 3 videos. So you'll see when that comes up. And I wore like a sexy top and shit. And my sister was like, as in you're filming like that. I know you guys don't see the sexy side of me a lot, but anyway, I just try to do something like that. If you're not following me on TikTok, you should. Anyway, so let's see how it goes. First of all, I want to make jollof rice right now. The chicken is already made, so I want to use the stock of the chicken to make jollof rice and stew. And I'm expecting a package today. I hope my package comes. Guys, I got a package yesterday that I'm quite pissed about. In fact, let me see if this thing is recording before I even talk about this package. So, as I was saying, this package, I got it off TikTok. It's a winter jacket, yeah? You know these TikTok affiliate people, even though I'm also a TikTok shop affiliate, you get, but I always try to say the truth when I receive a package, whether free or whatever. So I got this jacket off TikTok because people are saying, oh, it's thick, it's this, it's that. Tell me why I got this jacket. And it's not half as thick as the jackets that I have or I have worn. Even the Zara one that I wore yesterday, that short one, it's thicker than this long one that I bought. And I'm upset. Even though I got it for £16 something. For the price, it's okay. I mean, what was I expecting, Abby? So I should shut up. I'll shut up. It's okay. These are the things that I'm using to make the jollof rice. This is shombo. Okay, I don't know. I think it's makeshift shombo, but it looks like shombo, so I got it shombo. I use it all the time to cook, so shombo. And then bell peppers, onions. There's tomato paste from Nigeria. Gino, plum tomatoes. So yeah, these ones are chopped. So let's get this sorted. I wanted to show you the jacket. Let me go and bring the jacket. Hold on. This is the jacket. See, £16 something p. That's what I got it. It's not thick as the Nike one or as thick as the other one. So I get it. The price is not the same, but still, I wanted something thick. It's okay. It's just to run errands. That's what I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna take it far. Like that kind of yesterday waka. Nah, it's not gonna be possible. So yeah, this is a jacket. It's not thick. TikTok people, don't let me catch you in real life.
You still if I'm in my mind at work, would you still keep it 100? I'd rather you trust me than to keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love. I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way. Am I in the way? I don't won't pressure you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I have to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run to my money, there is nobody, no one around. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's I wanna be with you, 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 just love me.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different like you next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dope, baby. No, I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rugged have you. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit walking to me, just lost and then he slapped me on the way that I got. No problem, he get too back and he got all that action go and this to handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die, either you strong, you born. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. Trick it, fender, rolling backwards. Flip the shot and show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South of somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Going money fast, tryna make it last. Going money fast, tryna make it last. When we ecstasy is just a pill away. Wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just tryna hear you say my name. Let her play a role or be a Jane. You could be my toss and toss me up. Other hoes is lacking, call me up. Put my baby back and why I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold it for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. 'Cause all night, going money fast.
Hi, guys.
No problem, I'll let you know when I'm.
I even cooked stew. My back is killing me.
Yeah. But like, let me know the date when that you want us to be there.
I got the package I was expecting, by the way. It's what I'm using to prop my phone at the moment. Let me see if I can swap it.
Don't think, because that's how you think that you're really qualified.
This is the package I was expecting. I got it off TikTok shop, TikTok affiliate. The free sample kini. Yeah, it's hope you can see me, Sha. It's an insulated bottled water with 2-in-1 lid. Can you see it? Yes, I will do an unboxing I want to do an unboxing for TikTok before I even check it out. But yeah, guys, I'm tired. I didn't even get to go to the mall to buy that pretzels thing. I'm so tired. Whoa, even TikTok content that I was filming, I've not finished. I've postponed the jacket one till tomorrow. That's it. I can't keep it safe. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. This is what my dinner is looking like. I am starving.